Like, welcome to Digital Rakesh channel, guys. One thing I discussed, guys, if you are creating any kind of website or any kind of domain you purchasing and database will be created, all kind of particular website, how we can download with the source code option. Suppose I'm making this website, saishankarastral.com. This website completely from US, Canada, Australia services they provided. In this particular website, how we can download complete source code by using cPanel. A simple option, cPanel, any kind of file will be download. That option name is called File Manager. In this File Manager, when people open direct go to the files. If you go to the upon level, the file name is called public underscore HTML. The file will be public underscore HTML. In this file, you can click the right click option. First of all, compress and download. One file download is a complicated. So that is called, we can convert into GIF format, it is a compress, and download the file onto your particular website. The file will be downloaded into GIF format, unzip, the source code complete available on your particular website file on your desktop. So I'll go to compress, zip. So here I'm writing for my name. Click here and zip. The zip file will be finished 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes based on the file size. Some file size will finish within a minute, within 2 minutes. The file will be downloaded here, the zip. So you can click for download. After download this file, the total file will be 49 MB. You can check it out here. The file will be complete, will be checked out. And after download will be done, unzip the file and check the each and every your website page source option. So this is the complete website page source will be downloaded from cPanel option. File manager to download the complete public underscore HTML with the compress option. So once will be download, we can check the option name is called show in folder. In the show in folder, extract the file will be here. In the extract file will be, we can check it out, your complete file will be here. So what are the file you will be create? Each and every file will be showing to the your particular desktop. What are the file will be in cPanel? Same file will be showing on the desktop folder. So what are the changes? You can do the desktop and upload from the your website cPanel. That is the one. Here uploading, if you need zip file, upload it. Or you upload a 1 by 1 file, you can upload the file will be 1 by 1. Two option will be as showing for your particular cPanel. What are the file you upload? The properly maintained on your particular cPanel. That will be help to the particular download the complete source code from cPanel. The file name is called, go to cPanel, click the file manager. The file name is called public underscore HTML. Sometime will be open like this, or sometime open will be like this. Go to upon level, set the public underscore HTML, right click, click for compress and download. This is a procedure. You can download the complete source code from your website using cPanel. So complete website source code. No need using for third-party tools. I'm using your website cPanel option. If anybody have doubts, any queries about cPanel, comment me in my channel. I definitely will be support each and every question. Literally, I'm hold some comment. I'm not finishing question. It will be update this week. All question will be uploaded by in my particular channel videos. Thank you. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.